Lazy Bones is about taking the coffee experience outside, exploring and finding incredibly beautiful places to enjoy a cup of coffee. We pack our gear and Lazy Bones coffee and set off on an exciting adventure. We live in a beautiful part of the world, and we are fortunate to be surrounded by majestic mountains and incredible places to explore. What better way to savor the experience than to treat yourself with a great cup of coffee along the way. Today we are heading off to a little-known waterfall in the Banhoek Mountains between Franschhoek and Stellenbosch. The 2-hour hike leads us into a ravine under the shadows of the lofty Banhoek Peak. As you can see, the hike was worth it. We rewarded ourselves with an AeroPress coffee while sitting under the towering waterfall. Despite the roar of the crashing water, we were amazed by the serenity of our surroundings. While hiking back, we took the opportunity to capture the stunning mountain one last time. Join us on our next journey as we explore the possibilities of coffee.